Today, I'm going to show you a free tool that lets you generate AI videos. Let's jump right into it. This is Adobe's Firefly free AI video generator tool. You can access it through the link in the description. Alright, there are a lot of things you can do inside this tool, but today we're focusing specifically on the AI video generator. Once you log in, you'll land on this dashboard. To use the free tool, click on the Try It button under Generate Video. Now, you can choose your video model here. Some models are free, while others are part of the paid plans. For this tutorial, we'll be using one of the free ones. Next, adjust your preferred settings here based on what you want. You can also create videos using image to video from here, but for now, I'll show you text to video. Now paste your prompt here, then click Generate. The generation process can take around a minute, and while we wait, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, the video is ready. And wow, the quality is actually insane, and the level of detail is spot on. You can download the video directly from here. They also have some really interesting features that let you edit the video even after it's generated. You can edit it using prompts or individual frames, and you can also upscale the video, but it's part of the paid plan. And remember, this is just the free version. Their paid plans unlock even more powerful features and can do some unbelievable things. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed this video.